Hey guys, so we're back at the engine again, starting to assemble the pieces back together. We have lots of work to do here. I tried to line up the camshafts, but it's proven to be difficult. So I tried twice now and failed 2 times, so I'm just gonna try again later and hopefully we will get it right, but I want to be 100% sure that the engine lines up again. So every time I fail on this, I had to take off the plate again and all the screws in order to get it lined up over again, because if you miss on the chain, on the links, you have to do it over again. And I did it 4 times, and I think I managed it 4th try. After the 4th try, I think I managed to line them up. When I spin this once or twice, then it lines up again here. So it seems like I actually managed to do it. If I did so, it's amazing, because this was a hassle. Looking good. Oof. Need to celebrate now. Xpose out.